A kilometer-long line. The Aam Aadmi queuing up at a government shop for the most common vegetable, cheaper onions. Yes, it is that time of the year when the most common of vegetables becomes the biggest luxury item. From Chandigarh.
I'm right now standing at one of the biggest onion market in North India. The prices of wholesale prices of onion has increased from 40 to 58 rupees per kg, and at retail market it's being sold for 60 to 80 rupees per kg.
तो बहुत दिक्कत आ रही है, खाने के लिए भी नहीं मिलते हैं, सब्जी में भी नहीं डालते, अद्धा प्याज डालते हैं, जो यहाँ किलो प्याज डालते हैं.
To Bengaluru.
Onion prices are going skyward in Bengaluru. Onions that were being sold from 50 to 55 rupees last month are being sold right now between 60 to 67 rupees across markets in Bengaluru. For a state that is facing a drought situation already, the rising prices of basic commodities like onions is definitely worrisome.
And Jaipur.
Onion prices in Jaipur mandis are soaring, and they have reached more than 70 rupees per kg, and it has become out of bound for the common man. Though the central government has taken few steps to control the export of the onion, but the effect still has to come.
अभी प्याज जो है 60 से लेकर 70 रुपए तक है, और महंगी हो सकती है, सस्ती नहीं होगी प्याज.
लोगों ने खरीदना कम कर दिया.
नहीं खरीदना क्या, प्याज ही नहीं आ रही मार्केट में, और दुकानदार भी कम ले जा रहे हैं प्याज. हम लोगों को भी बहुत फर्क पड़ गया है.
Political protests from Delhi to Bhopal and Mumbai.
Prices of onion are rising, so is the politics in Madhya Pradesh. In fact, Youth Congress activists have now come onto the streets, and they are demanding the resignation of the Chief Minister as well as the Prime Minister over the rising prices of onions.
गरीबों का भोजन प्याज हुआ करता था कि लोग प्याज फोड़ के रोटी खाने का काम करा करते थे. आज प्याज को उनसे छीन लिया गया है. जिस प्रकार से दाल की कीमतों में उछाल हुआ है, अब ड्राई फ्रूट से ज्यादा महंगी दाल हो गई है.
Consumers are buying less and less of onions. Hotels across Mumbai have also stopped serving onion as part of their salad preparations, and there are various other ways in which homemakers are also trying to see to it that they reduce the consumption of onions.
Because we've taken swift and decisive action with respect to onions, with respect to export duties and so on. So we are moving as quickly as we can as far as onion prices are concerned.
They are vanishing as free salad and garnish on your pav bhaji, even being stolen from warehouses in Maharashtra. And as soaring prices become an annual ritual, will the Modi government plug the gaps, crack down on hoarders, and wipe our onion tears? Bureau Report, Times Now.